This next bedroom is now done, and everything's been taken out of it. So that's roughly what it looks like. Still have a few places where these thinner edges are going to be liquid nailed in, so they don't keep on popping out. But other than that, it's pretty good.
Hello, Bealy Good family. We just somewhat made a third of the progress through the family room. As you can see, we don't have any quiet walk down in the kitchen yet. So we are currently held off from continuing on in the living room until we can put that down. So that's a wrap for today. We also completed the entire girls' room. As you can see, it's masterful. Splendid work, especially by the man himself. Look at him.
Yeah.
He has no knees anymore.
Nope.
He's graduated from human race. Yeah, that's a wrap here at the farm today. See you next time. Peace.
As promised, it's the next day, and it's been a good deal of moving so far. So we take all the stuff out of the guest bed, so then we can clear out and put some floors down. So that's all ready to go. We're about to start that. But took all those cabinets, put them in the kitchen, and then a bunch of overflow stuff. So this stack of boxes is what we're going to have left over to do when we're doing the floor in the kitchen, which is not going to go under a cabinet, so it's actually pretty limited amount of area that we're going to be covering. And then it's pretty dark, but the foyer bathroom, which is only going to come down to about one of those boxes, so we're going to have a good bit of spare, I imagine. Any thoughts?
Not a thought in this pretty little head. No.
Oh,
Yeah.
pretty, huh?
If you haven't yet, if you take a minute, just subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Also comments. Really like interacting with everybody. So, you know, whatever it is, good, you know, whether it's criticism or praise, just, or asking a question or sharing advice or whatever. Throw a comment down below and hit that subscribe button, and really appreciate it. Thanks.
So, it took a long time wrestling with this piece that goes around the flange. It's not the prettiest thing. This whole piece had split down the middle, but that's alright. Got more gap than I really wanted. But, yeah. That's gonna be alright because the toilet's gonna sit on here and it's gonna give us about 3/8 of an inch to cover all this up, so that'll be fine. On with the rest.